Whether you're an equine practitioner or a vet veterinarian, you know how fast horses move and how quickly you need their movement documents to keep up. In the short video, we'll show you how GlobalVetLink makes creating CVIs and EIAs simple, accurate, and free from all the back and forth. Horses are always on the move to shows, new barns, sales, and even training events. Every movement requires accurate paperwork, delivered on time, and stored properly. GlobalVetLink helps you manage these documents efficiently in one platform, whether it's a single horse or a show barn with dozens. Let's get started. From the GlobalVetLink platform, simply choose Create Certificate. Let's start with the biggest time saver, pulling existing owner and horse information. When you begin a certificate, GlobalVetLink automatically fills in saved client details and completed horse records. That means no more duplicate data entry and no more tracking down owners for missing information. For Coggins test, GlobalVetLink makes it easy to create a new EIA from start to finish. Now that you've selected the horse and owner information, just choose your laboratory, fill in the test information, veterinary information, and review everything before submitting. In just a few quick steps, you've created a complete and compliant EIA that's ready to send. Creating a CVI is straightforward. Right away, GlobalVetLink loads the correct state requirements based on the horse's destination. As you complete the form, GVL validates fields and helps ensure compliance before you sign. Once you're done, simply apply your signature and the CVI is ready to go. For clients you work with frequently, trainers, barns, or even event circuits, document templates save even more time. Create a template with pre-filled information and then apply it to a new CVI anytime. This is especially useful for when you're working with multiple horses heading to the same destination. GlobalVetLink reduces the back and forth that comes with movement paperwork. When documents are finished, you can deliver them directly to your owners through MyVetLink. Owners will receive automatic notification and can access everything digitally. No more chasing down emails or replacing lost paperwork. With every document safely stored, this means your clients always have a complete record at their fingertips. GlobalVetLink streamlines equine compliance so you can focus on the horses, not the paperwork. To simplify your workflow and save time every week, start your equine compliance journey today at globalvetlink.com.